After you click on the Routing button from within the Dispatch Routing tab of the control panel, the Routes window will appear. There are three main areas within the Routes window. The search box, which allows you to search for a specific route you've already created, the Create button, which allows you to create a new route, and the Route List area, which is where your routes will appear once they have been created. To create a route, click the Create button in the upper right-hand corner of the Routes window to open the Create Route window. From the Create Route window, you will first need to name your route in the Name field. In the Start field, enter the starting address for your route. In the End field, enter the ending address for your route. Note that the more specific you are with your starting and ending addresses, the more accurate your route will be. Finally, click in the Color field to open a color palette and select the color in which you wish the route to appear. Clicking the small X in the lower right-hand corner of the color palette will make the palette disappear. Once you are satisfied with your entries, click the Draw Route button to see your route on the map. Click the Save button to save the new route to your account. To edit a route, select it from the list of routes inside the Routes window, which will open the Edit Route window. You may click the colored route line and drag it to change the route path in which the route takes. You may click the colored route line and drag it in order to change the path that the route takes. Be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the Edit Route window. To delete a route, select the Delete button. A window will then appear confirming that you wish to delete the route. Tech support is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central.